So good morning once again to all of you, first and second graders. So we're just four. Have check.
Ano pong page, teacher? Ano to?
Okay, so yung may nag-message sa akin kanina that may sakit pa kaya hindi makaka-attend for today. So that's
Si Ate Sky po yun. Meron po sakit po si Ate Sky.
Yes po, noted po. Yun talaga, no? So wala din naman natin masusolusyonan bigla, no? Just rest, okay? And hopefully, sana mamaya maging okay na si Ate Sky.
Oo nga po eh.
Okay, later you're going to answer. So sa ngayon, yung module nyo is nasa page 79. So magre-review muna tayo ng ating mga pinag-aralan, yung ating mga pinag-aralan last.
Yung module.
Yung module ng Windows.
Ito po.
Windows.
Yung page po yung 79.
Okay, I'll check. Yes po, 79. Yes, 79.
Sir,
Okay.
bago na po ba 'yon?
Yes po, bago na po 'yon. It posted siya before Holy Week, naka-post na siya.
Sorry po sir, hindi pa po nakakapag-print.
Okay lang po, sige po. Anyway, lahat naman ng nasa module ay aking itinuturo din naman dito.
Opo, magpapaprint na lang po mamaya.
Okay po.
Teacher?
Yes po.
Hindi rin po ako nakaka-print.
No problem, sige lang. Basta
Bisitahin na kayo kaya
Hindi pa nakaka-print.
maalis doon ng aking phone eh.
Anyway, gagawa ng paraan ni Sir Yman.
Mamaya, magpapaprint kay ate.
Hopefully by tomorrow or siguro on Wednesday magpa-print this. Okay, so let's have a short review about the desktop. Yeah, so Windows 10 tayo. So review natin yung mga pinag-aralan last week.
Makapaprint tayo.
So this is the desktop. Yan yung nakikita nyo ngayon sa aking likod. Yan, so yan, desktop yan buong yan. Okay, nasa likod ko na. So it's called the desktop. So yung desktop, ito yung the very first thing that will appear once the computer power is turned on. So ito rin yung ating pinag-aralan last week. So isa-isahin natin yung mga parts, ano? So let's start over here. Ano uli ang tawag dito? Sige nga, tingnan natin kung natatandaan pa yung naging lesson last Monday.
Yung kanina yung atin.
It's called
Icon.
Yes, right. Icons. Yun. Tama, no? So yan, desktop ang tawag. So yung first natin ay icons. Yan. So lahat ng mga yan, yung mga small pictures na naka-display sa desktop, ang tawag ay icons. Okay? The small pictures displayed on your desktop, ang tawag ay icons. So each icon, okay, so bawat icon na yan, it represent yung program, it represent the program na naka-install sa inyong computer. Okay? So iba-iba yan. Meron tayong this PC, ito yung mga common, this PC, yung user files, network, the cycle bin, yan yung mga tinuro sa last week, and the Microsoft Edge. Tapos and the rest, mga additional na yan, mga additional na programs. Okay? Yung ibang mga icons na nakalagay dyan. And how about this one, yung color blue? Yung buong background.
Wallpaper.
Yes. It's called the wallpaper. So yung wallpaper is the digital background ng ating desktop. And how about this one? Yung nasa left bottom corner.
Taskbar. Taskbar.
Yan.
Start.
Start button. Okay?
Button.
So, nasa corner lang. Nasa left corner. Left bottom corner. Pero ito, yung nasa ilalim, yung taskbar, okay? Pero nanin mo, yung start button, so if you're going to click the start button, so here, you can access all the programs. Okay? All the programs on your computer. So all the programs will appear or will pop up once you press or once you click the start button. And over here, yung buong bottom part of your desktop is called the task. Again, yung bottom part, do you hear that?
Taskbar.
Yes, that's called the taskbar.
Taskbar.
Whole bar at the bottom of your desktop is called the taskbar. And it is where the start button is located. As you can also see, sa ating taskbar, there are several programs. Okay, there are several programs that you may access and that you can access. At saka at the same time, you can also switch back and forth. Okay? Pwede ka magpabalik-balik. Halimbawa, may naka-open kang Chrome. Naka-open halimbawa ang Word. Pwede ka magpabalik-balik dyan. Okay? Sa pamamagitan ng pag-click ng mga icons or ng mga open programs na makikita sa ating taskbar. And at the right side ng ating taskbar, ang tawag ay okay, everyone? Ito nasa right side ng ating taskbar. Notice. Naku, nalimutan na nga.
Notification area.
Yes, notification area, right?
Oh no.
Okay, very good. So, yan It's called the
Something's covering my screen.
So, it's also known as the system tray. Yeah? System tray ang tawag din dyan, So, this provides a temporary source for notification and status, the notification area. And it also displays yung icons and programs features that have no presence on the desktop. Okay, punta tayo sa common icons found on the notification area. Sorry. Tayo sa slide. Okay, so close up look tayo, area. Okay, so this one, so it's called the date and time control. Okay? So date and time control, of course, so it displays the current date and time. Okay? As simple as that.
Page 2022.
Tayo sa page 81.
81.
Okay? 81 na po tayo. So here, so yun nga, itong part na to.
13.
So yung date and time control, it displays the current date and time. Habang ito naman, yan, this icon. So this is the volume control. Everyone? Volume control.
Volume control.
Yung icon, yan ang itsura ng volume control. So it looks like a speaker na mayroong sound wave. So the volume control, it is to adjust and change the volume level of your speaker or headphone. So para mapalakas at mapahina natin yung volume ng ating headphone, ito yung ginagamit natin. So volume control. And it is also found sa ating notification area. Okay, yung nasa left naman, okay, yung nasa left ng ating volume control, installed device. Again, installed device. So this one, so nagpa-pop up lang siya once na meron kang bagong hardware o bagong peripheral na in-insert or nag-plug ka sa ating USB port. So if there's a new device, halimbawa, you have a new printer and you plug it, the USB cable, you plug it on your computer, So, magpa-pop up ito. And it will notify you that there's a new hardware installed. Okay? So, ito yon, installed device. Ito ay lalabas lang kapag may bago kang, again, pag may bagong hardware na in-install. Or kapag mayroon kang flash drive. Okay? Pag may flash drive ka na ikinabit sa ating laptop or sa ating computer. And lastly, if hey, this is the network. The network icon, it shows when the computer gets connected to the internet. Okay? So if you're connected to the internet, lalabas ito. Okay? So if you're connected through a Wi-Fi connection, you'll see this icon. Okay? Ganito ang icon kapag if you're connected through the through Wi-Fi. So who's using
Ano po pagawa ng Wi-Fi?
who's using a laptop? Si Blake ba naka-laptop? Yes. So try to look at your notification area. Ganito ba yung kayong icon? May ganito ka nakikita?
Yes.
Sino ba ito? Yung gumagamit ng computer or laptop? How about si Calix? Okay, Calix, how about yours? Ganito rin ba yung icon mo? Sa yung notification area? Meron kang ganito nakikita?
Hindi ko makikita yung icon kasi po naka-full screen.
I see. Okay. Anyway. There, no? So if you're connected through a Wi-Fi, okay, so pag Wi-Fi connection, ganito ang makikita. But pag ikaw ay naka-LAN cable, okay, naka-LAN cable. So ang iba
Pero
naman,
yung sa akin po yung paaraw lang. Pataas.
okay, paaraw pataas. So ito no, ito 'yon. I think this is what you're hindi ganito.
Oh?
Ito yung yung naka-highlight.
Wala po ganyan.
How about this one?
No.
Actually, there are only two network icons. So it's either this one, the Wi-Fi connection, or this one, which is you're connected through LAN connection. LAN, LAN connection. So ganyan na makikita nyo. So ibig sabihin nun, kapag kapag mayroong ganyang icon na makikita sa notification area, you are connected to the internet. Yan. So connected ka sa internet at ganito ang mga icons na makikita nyo. This is for Wi-Fi and this is for LAN cable. Okay, again, Wi-Fi, ganyan ang itsura. And kapag naman naka-LAN cable, LAN, okay? L-A-N, LAN cable or LAN connection, ito ang itsura ng icon. Okay? Question. You can ask me questions now about what we discussed. About sa desktop, sa ating mga wallpaper, icons, yung mga nasa notification area.
Wala na po.